In this video, we'll be showing you how we check our Xfinity internet speed using the Xfinity app. The first thing we're going to do is open up our app, and then we are going to want to locate the Wi-Fi tab. This is going to be located on the very bottom of our screen here, right in the middle. So we will tap Wi-Fi, and then we will click on Troubleshoot. Upon opening Troubleshoot, it will give us a couple different options, and then we're going to select the one that says Test Your Whole Home Network. This is going to begin the test where it's going to check for outages in our area, and we see there are no outages around us, which is great. And then it's going to test the speed of our gateway. And after a little while, it will display a number showing how fast it is going. So here you can see that we are running around 340 megabits out of 300 megabits. So we're actually getting more speed than what our plan calls for, which is great. And then after a little while longer, it's going to end the test and it will give us a little summary of what happened. Here we have it. It's saying we're getting 116% of our plan and that our connection is looking good, which is exactly what we are looking for here. Now it's also going to go through and test the connection to the different devices that we have hooked up, and it tells us that we do have a strong connection with all of the ones listed here. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.